In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at how to use FTK Imager to locate deleted files from a suspect's hard drive by using an image that you created of the drive. So let's start by opening up the image. If I go to the File menu, we can add images to FTK Imager for analysis if we want to by using the Add Evidence Item command up in the File menu. Now there's also a button on the toolbar. Your first button on the toolbar is the Add Evidence Item. So we hit the Add Evidence Item. It asks what type of item are we adding? Is it a physical drive and you want to use FTK Imager to look at the actual contents of a real drive? Is it a logical drive, which would just be a partition? Or do we want to go and add in an image file, which is what we want to do in this case? Notice that you can also add in the contents of a folder. So I'm going to choose to add an image file and then choose Next. Then it wants me to choose the image file. Now with your lab files, I do have a sample image file, case 20210602 flash drive. So I'm going to open that up. And this is image of a suspect's USB stick. And then we're going to hit Finish. And what you'll notice over on the left is we do have the flash drive image opened up. So we do have, they call it the evidence tree pane, where you can kind of browse through the hierarchical structure of the drive or the image of a drive that you're analyzing. So in this case, we can see here that the label on the drive is USB drive. It's FAT32 as a file system. If I select root, this is the root of the drive. If I select that, you can see what files are contained on the root of the drive. Over on the right, we have our file list pane. So the first thing that I want you to notice is that we do have some files with the red X's on it. So these are files that have been deleted from the drive that we're able to recover. Now you'll notice that there is a file called mysecretfile.txt that's 1K in size. If I go and select that, notice that FTK Imager has a viewer built in, so I can view the contents of this file. So I can see that the file has some text in it that says, here's a secret file that I hope no one ever finds about. So that's kind of cool. We do have the viewer. Also notice here that we do have a file called newcompanylocation.jpg. It is showing as being deleted, but what happened here is the file got renamed to newcompanylocation.dat. So in this case, the suspect is trying to hide graphic files by renaming the file extension. And notice that FTK Imager is not fooled here. When we select the DAT file, it does show the, in the viewer down below, it does show the actual image content. So we can see it's a little map or something like that down bottom here. So in this demonstration, you saw how to use FTK Imager to locate deleted files inside an image.